guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually doing something different, something that I love. Finally, I have my Kayak Hobby Outback 2017 Camo Edition, and we're gonna do some inlet fishing. Got my 3 rods. I got one of them free line with the split shot. That's for the snook and redfish. I'm gonna try to catch some live bait. I got my cast net as well here, so I'm gonna throw that out there, hopefully catch some live bait for you guys. Got my 180 MD turbo drive. You cannot leave home without it, man. That's the best. That's why I love Hobby. You could go reverse, forward, whatever you want, and it's pretty fast as well. And I got my line for lures. It's a quick release for the lures, so I'm gonna be changing them. Throw some top water, throw some gotcha lure, my favorite. So, and the other one, of course, good old Carolina rig right here with the 1 ounce weight with the beads, and got a almost 2 foot of a leader with the circle hook. And that's it. Here's our setup, guys. Got my fish finder. That's a Garmin Striker 4 Plus, which I love. It's an incredible view. It has a lot of features. So you could find all these items on the description below. And I listed all the Amazon links, and I do get small commission from it. So I would appreciate if you guys check those out. They'll help my channel. But anyways, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Later on, looks like the wind's gonna be really high, so I'm gonna try to get in there really quick and get you guys some good footage, man, hopefully. All right, guys, we're under the bridge. We're throwing our Carolina rig with the frozen shrimp. We're at 15 feet deep. And I see structure right here. I see some fish. I see some movement. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it down where the pilings are. Most likely I'm gonna try these pilings first, then I'm gonna go back to the big ones and hopefully get something. What do we got? What do we have? Oh, nice snapper, man. That's a good size snapper, guys. All right, that's a good start on the frozen shrimp. Not too shabby. Okay. All right. That's pretty good. Let's put that here. All right, guys. Here's our first fish of the day. Nice snapper. Beautiful, man. I like him a little bigger though. You know, this one, I'll tell you, take it easy, man, take it easy. 11, almost 12. So, well, we're gonna let him go. It's too small for me. Man, he swallowed that hook. Look at those teeth. So I have to get him off, but there it is, guys. We'll let him go and keep fishing, hoping for a little bigger one. Hi, guys. Already the north wind started to whip. It's crazy. Got some chop on that side. Oh, we got a good bite. Oh yeah, I think they, just got him hooked. Just got him hooked. Ah, puffer fish. Thanks for getting me all wet, man. We got a puffer fish, guys. Fun fact about puffer fish, guys, they are the most artful when it comes to mating. Have you guys seen how they make the circle, incredible shape all around for their mate when the mating season comes? It's amazing. I recommend you guys watch that. It's unreal. We got something small. What do we got? Yeah, something small. Ah, my buddy catfish came to say good morning. Good morning to you too. Ah, you're so nice, man. What a friend. God, I hate you, dude. Have I told you guys how much I hate catfish? Yep, I sure do. Hold it from the behind the gills. You don't want to get raptured, guys. Trust me. You gotta hold them really tight. And then use your plier. Get the mofo out of there. Alright, buddy. See you later, buddy. Have a good day. Thanks for coming, say hi. My guy, I hate you. Oh, we got something else. A little bigger. A little bigger puffer fish. Okay, so this must be like a puffer zone or something. My God, what's going on here? Okay. Wow, puffer. Thanks for playing, but I don't want to see you anymore. Update, guys. It's been an hour and a half, and absolutely nothing other than puffer fish and a couple snappers that I caught. I'm trolling right now with my gotcha lure, but I don't see nothing, man. It's flat, 10 feet right now. So I'm going back to the bridge, and I think that's my best bet. I was trying to fish the docks, but they're too shallow. They're around 3 to 4 feet and incredible amount of grass. And you can't really stay there. A lot of current, lots of wind. I don't want to anchor either, it's too shallow, so I don't think there's any fish there. It's pretty clear, I don't see nothing, so I think my best bet is definitely hit the bridge and hopefully catch some shipshead, black drum, maybe get lucky with the redfish. Alright, I'll let you know what happens. Oh, we got a fish. Fish on. Let's see what we have. Ah, come on, man. Puffer fish? Are you serious? Oh, that's so annoying. Okay. Huh. What is this, like a invasion of a puffer fish now? Under the bridges? Wow. Okay, buddy. Alright, fish on, but something small on the frozen mullet. Please don't be catfish. Please don't be catfish. Oh, are you serious? Wow. Catfish, puffer. My goodness, what's going on, guys? Wow. Guys, guess what? Another catfish. And a big catfish right behind him. Humongous one. Wow. This is unreal. Puffer fish and a catfish heaven. If you guys want to catch him, come over here. Look, 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 look. Look how big. Look how big that is. Look, it's gonna come now. Look. I'm gonna let him in the water. A huge one is gonna come. Look, look, it's coming. Look, 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 look. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, look. You see the humongous catfish? Look at that. Look at that. Look, 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 look. Look, look, look. Ooh! Bunch of them. Look at that. Oh, there's another one right there. Wow, I never seen that. They're trying to eat that one. There's 2 of them now. 3 of them. Oh my God, they're humongous. Look at that. Wow. I have never seen so many big catfish chasing a little catfish. Fish on a frozen mullet. And I think I know what it is. My favorite fish of all times. My buddy, my best friend, catfish. I don't even want to bring him in. The way he pulls, you could tell it's a catfish. My God, this is annoying. Yep. Wow. Guys, Indian River by Coco, full of puffer fish and catfish. This is incredible. Wow, look at that. Oh, fish on. Fish on, guys. What is it? Please don't be catfish. Please don't be catfish. What do we got? Oh, let's pull in. Oh my God. Let's pull in drag. So something big. Oh my God, the biggest catfish ever. Look at that. Look at this catfish. Oh my God, you're serious, man. Wow. This place is a catfish heaven, guys. Incredible. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you slimy bastard. Okay. Well, let's get you off, man. Alright, let's get him off the hook. You slimy bastard. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Big ol' ugly bastard. What a disastrous day. Wow. Catfish heaven. Pufferfish and catfish. That was the story of the day, man. It was incredible. I never seen so many catfish in my life. From small to humongous size. So that's what's been happening. No drums, nothing, no black drum, no red drum, no ship's head. I was hoping for definitely black drum around the bridges, pilings, but absolutely nothing, guys. I got skunk, definitely. I call this a skunk. I don't count my best friend coming and catching it, catching a fish. So, but anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll definitely try to hit the north side by Oak Hill next time with my kayak and try to get you guys some redfish and snook action. And I'll be using my kayak hopefully more too. I'm trying to get a truck, and that way I can go ahead and load my kayak so easy. Right now I don't have a truck, I just have a car, so I'm borrowing the truck from one of my buddies, Kaihan. So Kaihan, thank you, man. You're a good man. So thanks to him, I was able to get my kayak. But I love kayak fishing, man. That's a different monster. That's what I love. I love being in the water, fishing. But I wish, you know, I could have caught some good fish, man, to take home, but not today. So it's one of those days. But again, I really do appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I will see you on the next video. See you guys.